Here's what we call branch opal. The item reminds us a little bit of the coloration in some certain other types of opal that we carry, but there's so many different types of colors in this very nice fall pattern stone that we're not exactly sure how to describe it in terms of name. But based on our best guesses, the stripes and patterns and splotches and different types of mixtures um, does resemble some of our other opal items. As you can see from some of the larger beads, you'll see some nice stripes, hence its name, branch opal. But there are also some that are clear, some that are tan, brown, black, white, strided like tiger stripes. Others are splotchy, others are leopard skinned. There's so many different things, and this is one of my favorite items. It has two holes, so it can be used as a bracelet on elastic cord, or it can be used on a necklace. Either way, it's a great item because now you can flip it over. Both sides have pattern.